Good morning, world, and thank you so much for coming to my video on the all-day slimming tea. If you guys would like to know more about this supplement or make your very own purchase, I just suggest that first of all, you guys pay attention to what I'm going to be sharing throughout this video. All right, because during this video, I will be mentioning some very important points that you need to know about the all-day slimming tea. Plus, I will be letting go of some very important warnings for you guys to know. So if you don't want to have any regrets or throw your money away, then stay tuned until the end of this video. It's going to be a short video anyways, all right? So first of all, the All Day Slimming Tea has an official website, and that is practically the only place where you're going to find it. So if you want to make a safe purchase and get this product that really will deliver results, then make sure you are in the correct place. Since my job is here to help you guys out, I did go to the official website. I copied their link and I left it below this video in the description box and also in the first comment for you guys, all right? So after you finished hearing what I have to say here, and if you want to go ahead with your purchase or you would like to read people's feedbacks, make sure you are going to the official website, all right? So the All Day Slimming Tea has been demonstrated to promote healthy weight reduction, digestion, detoxification, enhanced energy levels, and improved sleep quality. As you can see, it has a ton of benefits. It is a really powerful and unique tea mix that helps thousands of men and women in the United States live better lives. So it makes no difference if the user is a male or female, 60 or 30 years old. Individuals may increase their metabolism and maintain consistent energy levels throughout the whole single day. And regular use of the all-day slimming tea for 3 or 6 months will provide extraordinary results, guys. The majority of consumers saw a change on their first day of drinking the morning tea. So they reported having more energy during the day, feeling calmer in the evening, and sleeping more soundly at night. So let's face it, guys. Once you sleep bad, you cannot speed up your metabolism. And if your metabolism is not working properly, you cannot lose weight. And that's where the all-day slimming tea comes in. So you don't need to be taking capsules, you don't need to be taking medication. All you need to do is just prepare a cup of tea in the morning, and that is it. Plus, it does give you energy to get through the whole day, and by the end of the evening, you're going to feel calm and relaxed due to its natural ingredients. So the all-day slimming tea is natural, all right? Every ingredient that contains in it is like plant extracts, herbs, vitamins, and minerals, everything that is good for your body. So it has no contradictions and it has no side effects. It is produced in a facility in the United States that has been certified as good manufacturing practices, or as you may know, GMP, which means that the FDA has inspected the facility to ensure the product is made in a safe and hygienic manner. The FDA does not regulate supplements, but it does regulate the manufacturing process for good grade products, all right? So that means that you can trust this all-day slimming tea supplement. Some of the ingredients that contain in it is like orange peel, oolong tea, monk fruit, citrus and mint flavor, lemon flavor, green tea, ginseng root. So practically, as I mentioned, it is all natural. And let's face it, guys, you are getting a whole lot of benefits just by drinking some tea. And make sure you are doing it in the morning to get great results, all right? Plus, there is something very important you should know. That is your part in this process. Once you are committed to starting the all-day slimming tea supplement treatment, you need to drink it every single day in order to start getting results. So basically, it is very important to take it every morning, all right? And just do that and you will see great results in no time. Plus, guys, you get a 60-day money-back guarantee. Basically, after 60 days, if you are unhappy with it or you just couldn't adapt to taking it every single day or whatever your personal reasons may be, you can go to the official website, the one where you got it from, ask for a refund, and they will give you all of your money back. So you have nothing to lose, all right? Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you have enjoyed it. I hope you guys have a beautiful day and go to the official website right now. All right? See you.